It's Toys and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be opening and reviewing the LEGO Marvel set Superhero Airport Battle. This is set number 76051. It's recommended for ages 8 to 14 and it has 807 pieces. This set also comes with 7 minifigures, which are Iron Man, War Machine, Captain America, Winter Soldier, Scarlet Witch, Agent 13, and Ant-Man, but it also comes with a Giant Man. Look at the back of the box. It even comes with a Captain America Civil War comic book. Now let's open it to see what's inside. We have bag 5, bag 1, bag 2, we have bag 3, we have our instructions and stickers. And our comic book is also in this bag. And we have bag 4, and that's it. Now we'll start building. So there, I finished building it. Here's Captain America, Iron Man, Agent 13, Winter Soldier, Scarlet Witch, War Machine, and the Ant-Mans. Here's the Avengers plane, the airport watchtower, and the luggage cart. Cinematic time. Have it. Set 76051 Superhero Airport Battle done.